Hi. Today you will see the weirdest videos captured on a drone and how some people lose hundreds or even thousands of dollars in 1 minute. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
An emergency situation is not always provoked by two vehicles. As it turned out, some flying thing that unexpectedly flew in from the clouds can become a hindrance. So the motorcyclist at full speed did not notice the quadcopter, and the pilot of the device simply did not have time to change course in time. As a result, they both suffered, but it is still unclear who got more. An amateur is at the helm. The novice pilot sent his device straight towards the young unsuspecting couple. The lovebirds might think that they just want to capture them, but they definitely did not expect such an outcome of events. Negligent drone owners sometimes forget about personal space and the safety of others. Individuals pave the path of their device right through the air lanes next to the planes. In this video, due to an ill-conceived trajectory, the drone flew into the aircraft wing and damaged it. There were no casualties, but I think the passenger who shot this video was seriously scared. The heroes of this video, according to my observations, are fans of extreme sports, and besides, they are not averse to tickling their nerves. That's why they equipped the drone with fireworks and opened a whole winter hunt for each other. Let's hope that they got by with little blood and didn't freeze themselves out. More updated models of such devices have a return to home function when the signal goes out or the battery runs out. But before that, due to the lack of this function, drone owners were much more mobile and demonstrated their athletic qualities in order not to lose sight of a dead drone. Usually people react differently when they are removed from a drone. A man walking down the street felt that something was wrong and noticed that he was being filmed by a drone. Our hero felt like one of the acting characters of a super secret assignment and decided that it was too early to reveal his identity. A couple of deft movements and here he is, our Agent 007 is hiding, chasing away the electronic enemy. The attempt to shoot down the drone was unsuccessful, and our agent decided to change cover and continued shooting. In the end, he realized that such a weapon could not damage the drone, and the man decided to just leave the attacker. That's another situation when a vehicle and a quadcopter collided. This video is breathtaking. You might think that this vehicle is driving at full speed right at you. But unlike the flying device, we will not suffer, but only get a little scared. People who are used to blaming everyone around them for their failures can throw out their emotions even on an inanimate object. Like, for example, this athlete who, after an unsuccessful hit on the ball, decided that the drone was to blame for this. As it turned out, not everyone knows about the existence of drones. Such people are terribly scared because they take the device for a UFO. Just look at the horror in this woman's eyes. In this video, the drone recorded an operation to save the entire field from fire. The farmer found out in a timely manner what to do in this situation, and he managed to stop the fire and prevent possible negative consequences of a terrible fire. This video shows tigers chasing a drone. The incident occurred in a Chinese zoo. The tigers noticed that an unusual device was watching them, they were interested in it, and they decided to open a hunt for a flying curiosity. As a result, one of the striped hunters disabled the device, and when it fell, a new confrontation arose who would get the caught prey. Do you want to take a closer look at the mouth of a volcano and not get fried? Then you will definitely need a drone. In addition to the beautiful view, scientists used drones with special properties, and with their help for the first time, built a three-dimensional heat map of an erupting volcano. The owner of this quadcopter decided to film the wind generator. But he did not think to see a man sunbathing at the very top. When the man noticed the aircraft, he waved to him affably and continued to go about his business as casually as before. There is hardly a person who has not watched the fireworks at least once in his life during some holiday. But how interesting is the fireworks inside? One of the owners of the drones decided to take a look at it and took off the fireworks by sending the drone into the center of events. As you can see, it looks really good. A caring couple decided to capture their daughter's sporting achievements and purchased a quadcopter equipped with a camera. But who would have thought that a young gifted golfer would disable a parent's purchase with one stroke? Even for her, it was unexpected. Thank you so much for watching. Write in the comments what moment you like the most, because I want to discuss it with you. See you soon. Peace.